All right, here we go. So I continue working on my little interpreted language for the thing I'm building. It's not a tutorial. I'm gonna struggle a lot. So I just created a new file interpreter. I'm finally ready to interpret my thing. And I literally copied one of the tests I had in this new file, interpreter rs. And over here, I just want to create a new function for the interpret, right? I'm going to interpret the postfix thing. I actually ran it just now, and it gave me number 2 plus number 1 was operator token plus. So this is the tokenized version of the formula. And actually, just so that I don't write too much, I already have I already have tokenization thing validation, so I am able to traverse it. I did it last time to briefly validate it. I guess I can reuse it. Yeah, I can reuse it to build the stack of results. Let me close that and paste. Bam. All right. What's here? I'm going to call it interpret. It's going to be just a function for now because I want a prototype. In interpret. Such a difficult word to pronounce. Interpret postfix. All right, let us have it with a bool. So it's going to return a bool for now. I'm not sure I care about valid thing because this is going to be handled outside. So if we encounter some operator token, we pop stuff. And we do some other stuff. And in the result, I will still want to have a length of 1. All right. So operator token is this. Okay. Let me go ahead and try and call it. So let's so I want to have a sum formula result. Oh, it's gonna fail because I don't have all the things imported, but yeah. Interpret the postfix. Oh yeah, and apparently I need to give it a reference. I need to allow it to borrow it, and I'm gonna extract a this is a okay, it's extracting okay result from the 2 postfix. And over here, this is formula. Oh, it's not. Yeah, I forgot this. Result. So this is this. So this is supposed to give me a. Yeah, this is supposed to give me a true. And yeah, let's see if this actually gets imported. I mean, should I? Oh, yes, this should be a public function because I am going to use it from elsewhere. Pub-fn interpret. Yeah, let me drink my instant coffee. I believe it's Nescafe. Long time fan. All right, let's try and run it. Bam. Oh yeah. Failed to resolve. Undeclared type operand because I didn't import it, right? So use super. So I have operands, and from there I need to have operand. Is that the only thing I use? Operand. Yeah, it's just about that. Let's see if I did it correctly. Jesus, what I like about Rust, it just reorganized imports alphabetically. Something that my TypeScript and JavaScript shit cannot do. Oh, okay, it compiled and ran the test. So this thing gave me true. All right. The operator token. Over here, I need to quickly and dirty. I need to run a match against the operation I am going to do. So result is going to equal match. Oh, so the operation that we have how the hell was I writing matches before? I forgot the syntax. Operator token, so operand. I need to have operators too. Um, operator. All right. So I had a concept of operators. If O is uh, O operator plus, this is the only thing that worries me right now. Then we can then this thing will Yeah, let's do that. Then I will stack push this stuff. I'll need to work on organizing this stuff over here. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, let's freaking add a operand number as it was, and it's going to be a 3 for now. I'm gonna hard code the result I wish to get. Okay. This, oh yeah, and I need to have a default something, and I'm going to ignore it for now. And the result thing, I just don't need it anymore for now. I don't want to complicate the code. Oh shit. Oh yeah. So this closed and this. Yep. Please right hand align the code. Yes. Thank you. And boom. So it was able to run, and it still has the one element inside there because we know for a fact that there is a plus. Now. Yeah, I'll need to organize this into a separate function later, but for now, so I need to make sure that, right, so I need to have a number, right? Let right our number equals to, so what the hell is this? So I need to extract the number. How do I do that? Like immediately? I'm gonna do it the ugly way again. Let, yeah, if let if let operand number our number equals to, right, then this, just as a proof of concept, I'm going to have it here. So if I got at least the number on the right, the test at least should still work. Oh fuck. Expected an option found enum. Oh, I already have it. All right. So when we pop stuff, the stack cannot guarantee that there's a number in there, so it wraps it in a sum. And I already gave it to this thing. So yeah, so the sum is covered, and this is covered. And yeah, let's see. Maybe there's mutability, not the mutability reference thing I need to take care of. But at least this should be covered. Man, the code is getting ugly. Oh, it worked. Okay. Um, yeah, let me close the file thing. I'm going to literally copy all this, yank, paste, and over here another this. And this is going to be left number coming from L. Okay, is the code organized? All right. So the L number is this. Why is it telling me that number of 32? Oh, just a number, and this is just. All right. So let me print it out just so that I make sure I am outputting something that I want. So yeah, I'm going to output the left and right numbers. So this is a L number, and this is our R number. Iflet? What the hell is iflet? All right, what will it give me? So I do have numbers. Why doesn't it give me? Where is it type? All right, I guess right over here I can just write L number just plus R number. All right, and I can delete this. And quite frankly, since I'm not sure what to make of this, yeah, well, for now, okay, let's keep it as the length's one check. So I am after I check this, shit. Temporary value is freed. What? I don't understand this. So on the line 18, there's L number, and it's freed. And it's borrowed. Where is a suggestion? L number. Is there a type mismatch or something? Temporary value is freed at the end of this statement. Still in use. Dropped while borrowed. This is utter nonsense. Let sum equal so delete from here and paste over here. Oh, bam, and close the parent sum. So what is sum at this moment? A number. Should be fine. Let's see if it gives me some sort of error. Wait, I wanna make sure that this is F32. Okay? Because at this point, this should be F32 L number and R number. Alright, I'll need to investigate that off camera. Alright, I think I found the solution. So the thing was yelling at me because I was pushing some references around and it wasn't sure how I would handle that. So I tried out some. So I had this over here previously, right? So I was holding references, but since the references or borrowing stuff was just shifting all over the place, I thought that maybe I could just work with direct like local data over here. So I removed borrowing and for this case, obviously, I'm not pushing the borrowed value anymore. Okay. And for this case here, this is the only time when I used clone in my entire Rust life. I wonder if this toOwned thing is gonna work without it, because I was just, oh yeah. Yeah, so toOwned, so cloning the original value and owning it immediately seems to be the way. I'm not sure if this is correct, but at least it compiles. It knows for a fact that there's some one element, and at this point I guess it's safe to assume that I can return a stack. I can return a stack of operand, an owned operand stack, which is a result of the computation we are doing. All right, seems to be saving correctly, and of course the formula result is going to be a stack of a single item number 3. Since it's saved, let's try and run it. Number 3, which is exactly what I anticipated. So let's just cement this, assert equal, formula result to equal a number 3 operand number 3, because we know in our heads that 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, basic math. I don't think I need this anymore. All I care is that the function just executes. All right, fingers crossed. And yes, interpreter succeeds adding. Just for the sake of fuckery, let's make a mistake, and the assertion will not be correct. Yep, exactly. So let's return it to 3. So there you go. I made a simple interpreter which currently can only operate with numbers. Yeah, I guess behind the scenes I will tidy up all that stuff. I might create a function that will just work with 2 numbers and not numbers. So I might add behind the scenes string concatenation. So plusing, like adding hello plus world would be hello world, single instance of a string without a space. I could do that. So I've got multiple operations like minus and some other stuff. So damn, that was hard. Oh yeah, just in order to make the cloning possible, I needed to, did I write? Let me test it again. Yeah. Just to make cloning possible, I had to go into here and add a default clone operation. Why clone, not copy? So I tried that behind the scenes. I tried copying, but apparently I've got some strings inside here, and copying a string means uh, something else. So byte by byte, apparently copy means byte by byte copying in Rust, and that works only for primitives such as numbers and whatever. But for strings which are on a heap, this is impossible and it just doesn't work. So cloning memory worked. I'm not sure if this is beneficial memory-wise, but cloning all these things made it possible, and then the cloning stuff returned me a reference, and I was able to own it. Actually, an interesting case. Oh, come on. An operand. If I don't clone it, I wonder if it will still work. Because I might have made some stupid assumptions. No, it doesn't work because at this point we cannot know what the hell is there, and yeah, now it's a borrowed stuff, and it just cannot know for sure what we're trying to own. I guess I've got a lot of guessing over here, but this still works. So I made a huge improvement in my understanding of how things work. I am taking it slow, but it does allow me to kind of progress slowly. I am sure that I can implement operands on different operands. I can make operations work on different operands. Let me give you an example. So obviously I have to like so by implementing plus, so I guess I can sort of extend operand. I can extend operand to implement a plus, minus, or whatever on the specific self enums and return something else. So this is templating stuff that I haven't tried in Rust yet, so maybe next time I will literally work on that. Thank you so much, and till next time, don't forget to subscribe.